It's my freaking birthday. We're out at Hooptie Cross. We partied our faces off last night. Let's go.
This is absurd. Take a berserk. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's real. That's real. That's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. I'm really never waiting.
What are the chances she fires up? It's real 50-50. Sounds about right. Bring a car that doesn't start to a race. We bumped it, pushing it off the trailer, and it worked. I can't believe that worked. That was awesome. All right, we're gonna do a parade lap with all the cars, check out the course, and then get to racing. I'm freaking pumped. Hooptie Cross is such a cool idea. It's just whatever car you have, bring it out to the dirt track and send it. These races are popping up all over the country, so wherever you are, just go to HooptieCross.com and see if you can find one. It's gonna be totally worth it. We're about to take the first lap. Somebody just rolled it, so we're gonna take it very easy, try and learn the course. I think they actually had to change the course to make it a little safer because rolling it at a Hooptie Cross is insane. I don't know if anybody got it on video. All right, we're next up. Neck brace on for safety. Let's send it while staying somewhat safe, not rolling over. That's the key. Not breaking the car, that's the other number one goal for today is don't break the car, at least in the first half of the day. We got a 244. Not bad, I'll take it. That's insane. It's so fun. Had some little errors like getting stuck in the silt. But other than that, I mean, this car is pretty slow. I can't give it a whole lot more than I'm already giving her.
Really never waited here too still. I don't even know what I should say at all. Should I jump on in? Should I get involved? Guys around me, they love to talk. I take it all with a grain of salt. This work that I'm doing, they never see through it. And all of this rap that I see that they ruin. I came in the game and I'm trying to undo it. And still they all say they don't know if the shoe fit. I gotta see through it, man, won't be deluded. With all these illusions, I know it's disputed. I gotta keep growing, they see what my root is. I tell you I run this, I'm going with excuses. Give me for a minute, trying to get what I've been giving out. Do it for the tickets out. Listen to the critics, I'ma push them to the limit. And these rappers getting timid, I've been balling like a pivot down. Step into the scrimmage, I just playing when I'm in it. Trying to run it till the ribbon. And they know that I've been tripping when I make them see the vision. Man, I put them in the prison with these bars that I've been spitting. And this life that I've been living, I'ma go on a mission.
Take two for the drop, jaw plotting on the boy. See me putting in the work, whole milk, I don't do the soy. Always been about my king, never about the money. Now you know I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind.
A lot of you really is holding the lick. All of my homies legit, really is sick. I probably throw in my clip. I sell a boat to a fish. I sell a record, you know it's a hit. They see the effort I put in this music, and I ain't been giving no favors at all. All of this chef and I got in the shop, and I think that I probably could cater them all. I love the way that she answered the phone. I know that she ain't expect me to call. I got my eyes on you, my eyes on you, yeah.
Take two for the drop, y'all plotting on the boy. See me putting in the work, whole milk, gon' do the soy. Always been about my king, never about the money. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. I'm a trap before I stop the grind. Said I got my eyes on.
Calling it a day on that 2:38 best time. I'm happy. I improved every single lap, which I'm excited about. Car is not doing well. We got to dive in and figure out what's going on. Huge thanks to HooptieCross for organizing this. This was so much fun. Make sure and check out hooptiecross.com to find one in your area.